Good morning, kindergarten. It is calendar time, and we are still in the month of February, right? February, and yesterday was the 3rd. So what comes after 3? 4. You're right, 4. And looking at the days of the week, yesterday was Thursday. Let's move it over. That means today is Friday, last day of school for the week, and tomorrow is Saturday. And is Saturday a school day or a non-school day? Yep, it's always a non-school day. So today is the last day for school for the week, and tomorrow is Saturday. Good job. And if anyone asks you what today's date is, you'll say today's date is February. And again, yesterday was 3, so today is 4. Today is February 4th, 2022. Good job. So if yesterday was 92 days of school, what comes after 92? 93. Good. And do I add a tens block or strip, or do I add a ones block? You're right. Let's add a ones block because we only have one more day of school that we need to add because we're not to a full 10, are we? Nope. We have 9 because we have 9 tens in the 10 spot. So we have 9 10 strips, and then we have a 3 in the 1 spot. So that's why we have 3 in the ones. And that means what should I do on this page to expanded form? I need to change what? Yes, I need to take away that 2 from the 1 spot, and I need to add a 3 to the 10 spot. And now what number is that? 30. Oh, I should not add it to the 10 spot, should I? I should add it to the 1 spot, and now we are at what number? 93. 93 days. And everybody, we add a circle to represent a 1 more on this page. So we are at 93, and what do we do on this page? We count by tens. Yes, let's go ahead. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, freeze. Let's count by ones. 91, 92, 93. Good job, kindergarten. You are so smart. All right. That's it for morning meeting. Good job.